here. So my name is Boy, I'm your gaming champion from Converge. So guys, I want everyone to please listen. Importante ito. If you're doing activities right there, just give me like 2 or 3 minutes to tell you about something really, really special. And it's really close to my heart as well. But before anything else, Sir JP, Miss Orange, Sandra, thank you so much for this game-changing moment, and I would never forget this. And without a script, as you can see, I'm just gonna talk about my experience, and that's it, guys. College student rin ako a few years back, and I can still remember na I was a working student. So I lost my mom and my dad in a very early age na I have to work for my education, I have to work for my dormitory. So imagine this, everyone, imagine this. Sa dormitory ko, I just have a simple table, a simple chair. I have a laptop. Hindi nga mabilis yung laptop ko. It's just it's slow. During that time, wala pa kaming fiber connection. So that is everything I got. But I once had a dream na what if gaganda yung rig ko, bibilis yung laptop ko, bibilis yung internet ko. I'm also that dreamer, guys. And as a dreamer, I have one question for everyone. Our question is, ano nga yun? Ito, sample, this is basically, ito yung pinakamalapit sa old setup ko when I was still in college. And yun, the question is, what if you get the chance to win a free upgrade of your gaming and study setup? Yun, think about it, guys, think about it. What if aayusin yan ni Converge, the fastest internet in the entire Philippines? And thus, as a dreamer, as a college student, I present you the Battle Station Raid. Hoy, wala pa naman ang iyong energy. What is the Battle Station Raid? Your setup, supercharged, powered by Converge, the fastest internet in the entire Philippines. Yun, here is the mechanics. Everybody, people at the back, medyo very hindi ako makakita, but I hope everybody will look at the screen for our mechanics. Yun, show natin yung mechanics natin. So 5 lucky student gamers chosen from our 10 FiberX League ambassadors will get the free upgrade of their dreams to suit their gaming and study needs. So imagine yung simple setup lang. Gaganda niya yung Converge. The Battle Station Raid team will make a surprise to visit the home of our lucky student gamer. Meet them and of course hear their stories. You heard my story. It's time for your stories to resonate in the entire world. And reveal the brand new raid courtesy of Converge. Your X begins here. Thank you everyone, but I have a surprise. May we call on stage sorry, Odina. I know maganda ka. There's another beautiful lady right here, right now, in her presence. She's a cosplayer, a content creator, and ito pa. I think she's one of the most beautiful girl I ever seen. Let's welcome on stage, Chavez!
Hello everyone!
Alright.
Mamaya ng bayan.
Ito, question ko lang, Chavez. Di ba, we all started somewhere?
Yes.
I know college has been really, really hard. How did you start everything? Your setup, everything?
Oh, okay. I also started from the bottom. Because my parents, they don't really entirely support gaming because they're kind of traditional. So I got my first ever PC raid when I started streaming na. Nung kumikita na ako. Pero when I was still a student, when I was still working as a teacher, I was just using a laptop. And even when I started streaming, I was using a laptop and nag-stream ako sa cafe.
What's your mga first mga unang games na nilaro mo?
PUBG.
PUBG. Ako Sims eh. Alam mo yung Sims, you build your house, tsaka yung laptop. Also, yes. Here's another question. What is your message from a dreamer na gusto mo maganda yung setup mo to our aspiring college na they want a better setup? You have any message for them?
Okay, for our college student, you you don't need to rush. You can build it slowly. Huwag kayo ma-frustrate pag hindi nyo nakuha agad yung dream setup nyo. Slowly, but surely. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. But there is also another way. Dito, sa Student Ambassador Program, so we'll be choosing 5 students. We will transform your ordinary setup into a high level. We're gonna transport you to Dimension X.
Wow, swerte!
Oh.
Walang ganun sa time natin, no?
Exactly. And very last, we have another very special person. He'll be presenting a video. I think he has a message for us. He's a good friend of mine. I think kilala niyo siya. He usually calls me, Kuya Boy, help sa internet. So everybody, please direct your eyes to the screen.
So ang internet